So, what's up guys? So, eto na naman ako, another video, another content. So, for today's vlog, we're gonna do another unboxing item para sa inyo. So, let's go! Yon. So, ang bubuksan natin ngayon ay ang aking Tadaan! Ang aking Realme 6.
A few moments later.
So, ito na guys yung ating Realme 6. So, for the price, nabili ko siya sa halagang 11,990 pesos. But that time, nung nag-pre-order ako sa Lazada, discounted sila ng 500 pesos. So, nabili ko lang siya sa halagang 11,490 pesos. Take note guys, this is only a 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage. Dalawa kasi yung Realme 6 natin. So, yung isang Realme 6 is 8 GB RAM plus 128 storage. Ang price niya naman is 13,990 pesos. So, ito lang available sa market that time. At the same time, mas mura. Kaya ito na lang in-order ko. So, sobrang quality na kasi niya. Kahit ganun lang yung presyo niya, guys. So, swak na swak sa budget. Kung gusto niyo ng quality na phone, na mga mid-range phone. So, as of this moment, dalawa yung available color niya in the market. Yung in-order natin is Comet Blue. Then, the other one is the Comet White. Isa pa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa Realme 6 is yung processor niya. Yung processor niya is already Helio G90T, which is napakataas na para sa 11,990 pesos guys. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, swak na swak to. So ito yun guys. The Realme 6 is already a 6.5 inch FHD plus IPS display. Already a corner Gorilla Glass na siya, guys. At the same time, nakakatuwa dito is yung nasa gilid niya, yan, nandiyan na din mismo yung pinaka fingerprint scanner niya. So guys, nakakatawa yung part na yan. So also, Realme 6 is already a Android 10 version guys, kung makita nyo. Camera naman guys, yung front camera niya is already 16 megapixel punch hole. So yan o, makita nyo guys. Then yung rear cam niya naman, guys is already 64 megapixel plus yung pangalawang cam niya plus 8 megapixel ultra wide guys plus 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel micro lens. So ito guys, ano nyo, ito pang portrait lens, pang macro lens, pang ultra wide, saka yung pinaka main camera niya which is 64 megapixel.
I ain't worried about nothing. I am wearing a nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture. I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't.
So yun guys, so mabalik tayo sa phone. Yung battery niya naman is 4,300 mAh. So 30 watts flash charge. So nung kinarge ko siya kanina, pumapata almost 60 minutes bago siya ma-full charge. So, napakabilis, guys. Then, at the same time, yung charger niya is already a Type-C. Yan, guys. Makapansin nyo. Type-C, guys.
A few moments later.
Inang mga kakampiyan ba? So, that's all for today, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel at Feel Me TV. And that's all for today. Thank you. God bless and goodbye.